Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create level of detail for your model using Unreal Engine. First you need to drag your model into the Unreal Engine. From the settings, in the transform, set the transform to the 0, 0, 0, rotation to the 0. From here, disable the converse scene unit, and from the mesh, disable combine mesh and generate light map UV. You need to disable these options and this option and set the rotation to the 0 and import your model. Now you can double click on your model. As you can see inside Unreal Engine, the rotation is wrong. But don't problem, inside Unity works well. From here, you can from reduction settings optimize your model. Here you can see the triangles. You can optimize the triangles from here, for example 50% and press apply. As you can see, the triangles reduced. Also you can automatically generate level of details from here. Level of detail, interior number of the level of details, for example 3 level of details. Now you have 3 level of details automatically here. The first one, the default, the next and the next. You can customize every level of detail settings here. For example, this works not proper, so no. Okay, as you can see, each level of detail has its own quality. Now we have 3 level of details automatically generated, and we can now export the model. Asset action export. From here, disable options, enable vertex color and level of detail. We want to export level of detail. Disable collision. We don't need collision. The animation also we don't need. Now you have a tree. Drag inside Unity. Standard material name, disable animation rig, generate light map UV. Now when you direct the model into your scene, the default rotation is wrong. When you set to the 0, everything works well. As you can see, the level of detail automatically created inside Unity. Everything works well. Now, when you direct this model, the default setting is wrong. When you paint this on the tree, you will have problem. The first solution is creating prefab from your model. This is the prefab with the proper rotation, but the model has wrong. The next solution to completely fix this problem is using Unity FBX Exporter. Unity Registry FBX. You need to install Unity FBX Exporter to fix the import rotation settings. Nice. You can export your model now from here. This is our model with wrong import rotation. Here you can see the import rotation is wrong. We want to fix this problem. Direct your model into your scene. Position rotation all is the 0. Now you can easily export your model. Binary model. Enter your name. Now you can direct the new export model here. As you can see, the import rotation is now correct. This is correct. This is the default. As you can see, the default has wrong rotation, but the exported model has correct rotation. You can easily use this one in your train system. Everything works well. I hope this video be useful to you.